we're going to do another open house at ET Quality RV, Lance Suppliers and other trailers. See if we can find something to substitute for our 21 FD Mesa Ridge walkway. You know those new Timberwolf type of trailer. It's called Timberwolf. These are these new weird trailers. Huge. Beefy tires. It is a trailer. Not very aerodynamic. I think these are just houses, right? These aren't for towing. Look how tall they are.
36,000.
36,000. Look how tall they are, though.
No.
Wow, this is really strange. Look at that. Loft bed. Couch. TV's right there. Oh, here's the main bedroom. Step down into the bathroom. Shower. Very short, man. There's too much room. Walk-on bed back here. Cool. Short ceilings. I don't know why the ceilings are so short. But it's so tall out here. Well, here's a half bath. So you got the toilet over this side, and the shower over here. Too many steps in it for me. Oh, and then you got a little loft area up there. I don't understand the setup for this thing. I really don't. I don't understand this at all. Yeah, we heard about this RV show. I guess my wife heard about it on Facebook or something. It's in Yuba City. ET Quality RV, right off 7099. ET Quality RV. Going into the showroom, baby. Let's see what's in here. Oh, yeah.
How you guys doing?
These aren't meant to be trailers, right? These aren't RV trailers. They're kind of more like job site trailers. Small. Yeah, Cherokee, Forest River, Gray Wolf, Black Label, Cherokee. New ones are over there. They're all used down there. It's a big lot, nothing on them. Here one, Cherokee Gray Wolf. Let's look at this one. It's pretty cool. This has the same setup as ours with an extra bed in it. See a kitchen here. Still using a gas stove. Dual swing refrigerator, so it opens this way and it opens that way. It sounds like we're gonna break. Face to face, and this is a slide out. So when this slide out comes in, you lose all this right here. You lose your couch, you lose your face to face, but you got an extra bed right there. Big, huh? And then over here, typical bath, shower, toilet. Yeah, this isn't a bad setup, really. I mean, if you have kids and you want some sleeping capacity, this isn't so bad. You can sleep 3 here. Yeah, it's the same thing as ours, except it has that bunk back there that slides in. This is an ultralight Rockwood 2606 WS. Tandem wheels, 1 door. Let's go. Face to face. Corner kitchen. One of these dual swingers. I don't know why you need it.
Lifts up the bottom of that bed.
And then here is, lift up the bottom of the bed. Oh, smooth, baby, smooth.
And it has
Alright.
This is extra counter space.
This is what I like. I like the fact that you can sit down on a chair. And this is a Rockwood mini light. No doubt of mercy. Tandems. Couch over there. Nice bed on a Murphy that comes down. Very nice. If you like the Murphy, I don't. Beautiful though. We could tow this. We could tow this. But it has a Murphy bed. Ain't no way I'm getting in a Murphy. Beautiful though. They're all beautiful. Alright, another mini light. These are all mini lights. Let's move on. She loves this one. I'm going to hand the camera to her.
Come on
This
now.
is I'm not killing it. A 2908RL.
Check this one out. It's got bar seating, and then you've got your kitchen here, stove over here. Not a full-size refrigerator, but enough space. Just for me. And then you've got a couch there, TV, a fireplace, and then you've got the couch over here. And this is what I like, and my husband would like this too, is it's got recliners across from the TV. And then you go into the back, and the bathroom's here. And as you go through the back, nice size shower with lots of storage. And then you can go either through the bathroom this way, and it's got a TV in it and a queen size mattress, plus lots of storage in here. There's drawers down there, cupboard here, got storage down there, open space. And then these big, you can use this for a closet, or you could put shelves in it. I don't think it's got a washer dryer hookup. All for the price of today's special is $50,755.
Yeah, this is a 2205 slide front bed. As long as it has a bed, let's look. You walk into the bathroom. Oh yeah. That's toilet's right there. Nice little sink. One of these gizmos. Not bad. Oh yeah. Walk in, here's the kitchen. Here it is. So this is on a slide. Yeah. Here's the problem though, you know.
Okay, so this has got a bathroom right up front. So if you pull over and you got to go to the bathroom, you're right there. And then to the right, and it's all level. And the bedroom's here. It looks like a king size bed and a slide. And then if you need to go use the bathroom in the middle of the night, it's right here. And then you come across to the left, and you've got your island and kitchen. Nice counter space with a sink and a flip for extension. And a stove. Looks like a 3-burner. Yep. And the microwave's over here. And you got a refrigerator, not full size, but enough room. TV with your electric fireplace and a couch. And you've got recliners and dinette, another sleeping area. And you've got the charging system with cup holder. Nice.
going down the road. About 98 degrees, but it is overcast. So it feels less than that. Oh, more mini lights. Hell of a show, huh? All right. 3 step ups. 25, 15S. Which, who knows what that means? S. Slide, no slide. Oh yeah, this has a slide, small one. Rear kitchen. Theater seats. Face to face. Nicely. So the bathroom is shared. And then you have your own bedroom door to get out. I don't know. You're gonna take $15,000 off of it for you right now. Come on down. The Lost RVers, another RV road trip without the RV. But we're on the road. See? Perfect example of something I said a couple of videos ago. Oh, we were at Cal Expo. Is that when you have these steps up like that, for one, this is a lot of mechanization going on here. And for two, when you put that up, whatever's on these treads fall down. They fall down onto the floor. So I am totally against this kind of stuff. My wife wants to deal with it.
Oh, where do you? Oh.
See? Can you imagine doing that every time you wanted to go to the bathroom on the road? Very good, baby. But see, when you put it up though, anything on these treads, mud, sand, brook, rainwater, hail, dog pee, whatever. When you raise it up, it has to go right there. It has to. So I think this is a bad design for the industry, and you should find something different. Tuck them underneath, or don't use all these Rockwood mini lights, which they're all the same thing, variation on a theme. Some have Murphy beds, some have walk around, some have 2 doors with a bed. And a lot of them have outdoor kitchens. This one does. But they're, nice looking units. I just don't like the stairs. There's the Outdoors RV Titanium series. I like the looks of it. It's gray, black and gray. Match the truck. Sure, match the truck, babe. It matches the truck. Made in the Oregon mountains. Dig that.
Nice Tempur-Pedic mattress, but I don't like it.
24 RKS. Let's go inside. Plus, it has the stairs that tuck
The sink in the
underneath.
bathroom, the sink is on this.
It doesn't have those elastic screen door holders. You like those? Every time you open up, they slam back down on you. Hold on. Yeah, she's right. The kitchen, kind of dark. That has to be a used one. There's the new TV on there. Yeah. It is right here. Dealer list price $63. Total savings $16. The base price is $80,000. So they got a line of these too. What's this one? Let's go look. I do like the steps though. See how they tuck in underneath? And you just step in it. You like this one? No? There better be something in this puppy, I'll tell you right now. I was so disappointed with there isn't. Oh. Lukewarm. See if there's anything in here. Oh yeah. Jackpot. Oh, my favorite. Nice. Oh yeah, baby. All right, so that was the big show of all the models we deemed fit to look about flipping out of our 21 FP Mesa Ridge into something else. Nothing. And if we did, we couldn't give them our driveway because at 26 feet, I only have 18 inches of room from the fence across the street. We'll talk in a bit. We're going to have something to drink and eat. Bye.